Hi loves, good morning. Today is Monday. I plan on traveling like later in the week. I took off my lashes, so I'm going to get a refill maybe today, and my nails also. I'm going to go and change it as well. I haven't booked my flights funny enough, but I'll get that done hopefully today. It's been raining since morning, so soon. I've been getting my emails about my lectures and all. So by the time I'm back from my trip, I will be starting classes. I don't know if I'm ready for that though, but I don't have a choice. Hey guys, good morning. It's a new day. Today is Tuesday. I got my nails on yesterday. I really like this set. I'm going to redo my lashes today. Alright, I'm going to get a new set today. I have a couple of things to do today, so I think I'm carrying you guys along with me. I have to go to the park to pick up an item I bought from other states. I just finished making cupcakes. Yep. So it's 1:58 a.m. now, and I'm hungry, and I'm going to look for something to eat. I don't have much to eat right now because the kitchen is empty at the moment. But I have shawarma. I'm just going to microwave and eat because I don't want to go to bed hungry. Yeah. So hey guys, it's the next morning. My flight is around 12. It's like 9:30. So and it's raining. So I'm not sure if I need to start getting ready to start going to the airport right now. I'm ready for the airport now, but now the issue is that it's raining. Like it's been raining since I woke up. And I don't know if you know airpieces, they are fond of changing flights, switching flights and stuff like that. So I don't know if I should leave now. It's like 10 o'clock. My flight is by 12. If I leave now, am I leaving too early? If I stay back, what if the flight is moved forward? Because airpiece can do and undo in this country. So I'm currently at the hotel. I practically slept half of the trip to this place because I was really tired. I didn't sleep well last night and it was raining, so it really made me super tired. So I just want to get some sleep, and this was my airport fit. Just shorts basically. So this is a room tour. Basically, there's a huge TV, and that's me, my handbag, my tote bag, and I think there's a balcony. Oh, it's not a balcony, it's too small to be a balcony. It's just for a conditioner. Then this is the rest of the room. Basically, they have this really nice lights.
Grace is still not picking up. I want to talk to her without Dawn's intimidation.
So I just made an order for food and I'm waiting for it to get delivered. It's raining, so I can't really go outside, but then the hotel has a pool and I think it has a restaurant, like a fancy restaurant or something. I'll check it out later. I still have time, so I'll check it out later. Yeah, that's it. Once my food gets here, I'll eat and then I'll sleep because I really need to sleep. I feel like I found a spot where I'll be doing my makeup while I'm here because the sunlight from this angle is quite nice. I'm still waiting for my food. I don't know why the guy is delaying. Like, I'm really hungry. My hair is so old. I don't even know why I carried this hair like this. I was sick before coming, so my head was aching and I didn't think I wanted someone to touch my scalp, so that's why I still have my old braids on basically. But I changed my lashes and my nails, as you can see. But my hair, I just carry my hair like that because I can't be bothered. So I'm going for breakfast basically. I'm still a bit sleepy though. Oh. Hey guys, so it's a new day. As usual, it's also raining. She got me the phone that I asked for. It's a new phone because I needed an extra phone. I needed an extra phone. So yeah, I'm going to set it up very soon. Start transferring some files into it. Yeah. There are a couple of other items, but those are personal. Basically. So hey guys, I just finished breakfast right now. I'm outside. The weather is a bit better today, so I'm thinking the beach. Then I don't know, maybe go to lunch later. I'm still waiting for all I ordered to get here. I don't know what's with delay, but I hope you can hear me because I can barely hear myself right now. So that's it. Actually, I wink so well. Like, my wink is. Hey guys, I'm currently by the beach now. Let's see what the Lagos beach is actually quite different now because with the level dredging. But if you see down there, it's like a line down there. They are building a road according to them all the way to Calabar.
Christmas break? Yeah, initial theory was a runaway. So
I feel like I'm able to be.
Teacher was cleaning things out, found lost traces on the piano keys. Well, I'm just confirmed the ID matches Annie's.
Let's bring my edges. Sorry, my edges.
Hopefully play piano. Deaf kid playing the piano, Nick. Spot bloody inclusive bus.
8.
James.
But you know Lagos. Yeah, it will be better for you soon.
Why should I?